Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am channeling my favorite superhero ever, Peter Parker, aka Spider-Man, and I am doing this Spider-Man Halloween look as part of 31 Days of Halloween. I hand painted this entire mask on and did a dramatic eye, so it's a little bit of a different take and inspired by a whole bunch of pictures I've seen online. So if you guys want to see how to do this, then let's get started. So before we get into the makeup for this look, I wanted to show you guys my nails. I did do Spider-Man theme, so they are all red and blue. I did some little spiders on here, a web, kind of a red and black fleck, some stripes, and some glitter. So I will post a picture on my Instagram so you can see them up close, but I thought I would tell you guys about them. And all the details will be down below about the nails and the nail glue I use. So moving on, let's get into the eyes. I already have my eyes primed, and with a Sigma pencil brush, I'm going into this matte black color from the Sephora palette, and we are going to start putting this in the crease. So now to blend the rough edges of this color, I'm going into the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to go into color Prick, which is this red color. So I am just taking a fluffy brush and just a little bit of product. Obviously you can see it's very pigmented. And I'm going about halfway between where the black starts and stops. I'm gonna kind of layer this on top. And I'm using little swirling motions to soften everything up. So now taking a small packing brush, I'm going into my Z palette and I'm taking the color Neptune, which is a dark blue. It's this dark cobalt blue here. And we're gonna pack this all over the lid. So I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. I'm just using my normal liquid liner, and we're gonna do a big wing. It's gonna be pretty thin, but it's going to extend out pretty far. And I can't talk and do this at the same time, so please bear with me. So from this wing, as you can see, it's fairly thin, but it does extend out quite a bit. I am going to draw another line. And then in between that, I'm going to create little connectors so that it looks like a spider web. So now I'm just gonna throw on some mascara. I'm not gonna do lashes, just mascara. Then I'm gonna go back into Neptune and we're gonna put some of this on the lower lash line. Okay, so now going into my Wolf FX paint palette, I am going to take the red and we are going to create a mask. I was kind of inspired by the parts in all the different Spider-Man movies where he's trying to figure out like what he's gonna wear and what to do with his powers, and he kind of has these really bad suits before you get to like the really good CGI ones. So that is what this is inspired by. So I'm just gonna start by drawing out around the eyes and kind of how far down I want it to go. I'm gonna give this a second to dry and put on my lipstick. I am using an Estee Lauder one, and this is in the color No Angel, and it's just a deep kind of garnet red. I think it has a little bit of gold in it as well, but I thought it would be pretty to kind of balance out the look. Now taking a liner brush, I'm just going to dip into my next gel eyeliner, and we are going to create the spiderweb pattern on the mask. Alright, so this is the finished Spider-Man, Spider-Girl, Spider-Gwen, whoever you want to be look. I really like it. I'm really happy with how the masks turned out, and I hope you guys liked it too. If you did, make sure you hit like and that subscribe button down below and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of the rest of the 31 days of Halloween. I hope you guys had a enjoyable day watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.